Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can buy any coin on Uniswap with Trust Wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that your Wallet is installed, funded, and connected to Uniswap. This helps you purchase tokens securely and easily. So first, open your app.uniswap.org, and what you will do is click this connect, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And what you will have to do is you will look for Trust Wallet. So you have to make sure that it is installed, that the extension is installed on your web browser so that you will be able to see it. And once you see Trust Wallet, what you will have to do is basically just select it, just click it. And then after you click it, you will approve the connection in the Trust Wallet app. And then after that, you will just have to click swap, which is right here. And then you will just choose the token that you would want to buy, and then you will have to enter the amount, and then you will review the estimated tokens and network fees, and finally you will just have to tap swap and approve the transaction in Trust Wallet and wait for the confirmation. Double check the token contract address before approving, and that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.